we'll go here to script number 2, detect silence in the word list. Double click on that. Same deal. This time I'm going to hit Command R, but you can also go up to Run. If you're on a Windows computer, I think it might be Control R. Okay, so now we have this dialog box or this menu that comes up. Everything should be set to defaults that work pretty well. If you do need to tweak this a bit to get the script to produce a better output, you might consider first changing the maximum intensity. I'd start by changing it. 30 works pretty well for most files I've looked at. You could change it in increments of 5 to say 25 decibels or maybe 35 decibels to see if you can get the script running a little more accurately. But I'm going to leave this at 30 for now. So we'll just go ahead and click OK. Now that's going to run through the first 4 windows of the first file. That just means it's a really long file and the script breaks the long file down into small chunks. So it runs through 4, and you can just go ahead and click continue. Now if you're running through a bunch of these files all at once, this is inconvenient. Okay. If you're running through a bunch of these files all at once, say you have 50 files you're going through and you feel like you've made a mistake by trying to run 50, you can just click stop and it'll stop. But we only have 3 that we're going through, so we'll click continue. And it gives you this nice update to let you know that it's running. And then it has to pause a little bit to save the files. And then you click continue again. So now we're on our 3rd file. And after this, the script's going to be done, and it'll give you an announcement that it's done. Okay, so 3 files were saved, and it's saved to a default file. So we'll close that. Now we see that in addition to the WAV files, there's now an additional file in here called, well, it's the subject ID number plus word list.